Last time we put sheathing on the roof, so definitely check the previous episode if you haven't seen that. The challenge now is that I'm still getting water through the top into the cabin, and I'm really worried that it's slowly destroying my floor sheathing. So we'll see today what I can do to try and fix this issue, but first I still had a couple of pieces of sheathing to place by myself.
By yourself.
Okay. So this is just one of the rafter tail extension that I have used in previous episodes, and I wanted to add one at the edge so that I would be able to close my roof eaves properly.
Oh, still not good enough. Oh la la. You want to annoy me today. It's not how I like to start the day. Okay, third time is the charm. Please don't slide off. Please stay in place. Oh, I forgot to put the clips. Yep. Ça va pas être facile. It's not gonna be easy. C'est impossible. Oh, ah. C'est impossible. Who knew that the last pieces would be such a pain?
What you're seeing here is a solid half hour of struggle where I could never get it to fit in the clips as well as against the nails that I was using as spacers. Eventually recutting the edge was the only solution that allowed me to get the panel to fit in.
I think we finally got it. So the moral of this sad struggle you're witnessing is roofing is gonna be tough by yourself. So you better get some friends or some family member to give you a hand, or you're gonna hate yourself. All right, let's lock this up. Okay, you're not going anywhere now. Okay, we're secure.
While we're on the roof, you're probably wondering why I left a space there. Well, that's because my roof assembly is going to be vented, and that's where the hair will actually come out. I mean, you'll see that it will make a lot more sense later on after I install the roof and insulation.
Because I'm tired of getting rain, you know, my top is old, that has a hole in it, so the water gets in and then just run off the sheathing and fall in the groove. So I found that you can buy this, which is some roof deck seam tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much tape all the seams because I'm not gonna be able to roof that soon. And so I think that this will buy me some time in protecting, you know, water from getting into the cabin. So let's give that a shot. And obviously you have to get a little roller. You're supposed to roll the tape so that it adhere to you know, the sheathing. So we'll try that. And I think it will really help as well with you know, not having a bunch of air leaks. So I think this is worth it. Et voila!
Wait. Too late.
We're making some progress, but I'm having two issues. If the panel is a little moist or wet, the tape will not attach to it, which kind of makes sense. But here we get rain so often that I don't even have the option to, you know, let this dry for a few days because we get rain almost every day. So that's a challenge. And then I was just checking out the weather and there's a massive amount of rain coming my way. Probably in 2 hours, they're calling out for an inch, almost an inch and a half of rain. So I better get moving and finish this so that I can finish it, put the top back on, and then, I don't know, let the rain do its thing and see what happens. All right, so let's see, that's a little wet. So let's find out if that tape's gonna hold on it. No! Okay, thankfully I got stopped. It's not too bad. Here's what I was talking about. See, like, this is pretty wet and the tape really, you know, doesn't seem to like be holding that much. So I got a small heat gun and I wanted to see if that would help. I think it's working a little bit, but this is much better. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna go back and kind of check the areas where it's not sticking well, which I think it's not a lot. And I'm gonna do this because this seems to be working really well. So this is pretty nice. So I'm done installing all that tape. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the results so far, but I mean, the real question is gonna be to know what's gonna happen when the next storm rolls in. And that's probably gonna be today. So we'll know soon enough if the water is gonna still find a way inside the cabin or if this will fix my problem and keep the cabin dry until I get to put the underlayment and the roof. So we will see. So I'm in the cabin now. It's been much better with the tape on. I mean, to be honest, there's still water that kind of gets in, as you can see here. But I mean, this is nothing compared to what I used to get, where I used to get maybe half an inch of water everywhere in the cabin, and you know, which was really damaging everything. Now it's just really little spots that get a little bit of water dripping, but it's really not much at all. So that's really nice. And you know what else helped a lot with rain? Well, you guessed it. I've just installed building wrap on the cabin, and so obviously all the wind-driven rain that I used to get, you know, getting into this opening and putting water all over here is now gone thanks to this. So that's actually the subject of the next episode, which you can access by clicking here on the link, where I'm going to show you how I installed the building wrap all by myself, all alone, and I think I did a pretty decent job at it. So I'm going to show you how I did it. And if you're new to this channel, actually, you might want to check the link here on the other side, because I'm putting the whole playlist, you know, of this whole adventure that I've been on building this cabin mostly by myself. So go back to that playlist and probably watch it in order so you can really see step by step everything that I went through. So hopefully you enjoy all those videos, and I will see you next time for more cabin building. Thank you.